Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a topic that is fundamental to our happiness and well-being: building strong relationships. Whether it's with family, friends, or romantic partners, strong relationships form the foundation of a fulfilling life. In this video, we'll explore some secrets to help you 5 essential steps to foster lasting bonds with the people we care about. Effective communication. The first key to building strong relationships is effective communication. Listening actively, empathizing with others, and expressing ourselves clearly are crucial components of healthy interactions. Remember, communication is a two-way street, and it's important to create a safe space for open and honest dialogue. For instance, if you have a disagreement with a loved one, instead of getting defensive, actively listen to their perspective. Acknowledge their feelings and try to understand where they're coming from before responding. Trust and reliability. The second step in building strong relationships is cultivating trust and reliability. Trust is the foundation on which all relationships are built. It takes time and consistency to earn someone's trust, and it's essential to be reliable and follow through on commitments. Ensure you show up as planned and offer your support. By being reliable, you demonstrate that you value their trust and are committed to the relationship. Empathy and understanding. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. It plays a significant role in building strong relationships. By putting ourselves in someone else's shoes, we can deepen our connections and foster compassion. If a family member or friend is going through a tough time, show them empathy by offering a listening ear and expressing your support. Sometimes, all it takes is a heartfelt, "I'm here for you," to make a meaningful impact on someone's life. Quality time and shared activities. The fourth step is about creating lasting memories and shared experiences. Spending quality time together helps build stronger bonds and creates a sense of belonging. Organize activities that you both enjoy, such as hiking, cooking, or attending concerts. Resolving conflicts positively. Last but not least, conflicts are a natural part of any relationship. The key is to address them constructively and find resolutions that work for both parties. When conflicts arise, try to remain calm and avoid blame games. Remember, it's okay to agree to disagree sometimes. And there you have it: 5 essential steps to building strong relationships. Remember that relationships require effort and dedication from both sides. By nurturing effective communication, trust, empathy, quality time, and positive conflict resolution, you'll create lasting bonds with your loved ones that will enrich your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.